Okay, my name is Tim. I'm from Orange County, Virginia, small town. My story is I've been fighting my teeth all my life. I started losing them. They were getting so bad that I was having so much pain that instead of trying to save it with a root canal, I said, no, you just get it out. And eventually I met a dentist and she's like, you realize you're losing more than you have now? And I'm like, yeah. I got 5 or 6 root canals and they're $2,000 a piece. That's 10 grand in root canals, just trying to save teeth. I wrecked a motorcycle when I was younger, and this front tooth is a post. They had to put a post in this front one. And it's done good for about 15 years, and now I can move it with my tongue. I have a denture, and I'm gonna show you now, and you can't tell, but I had to take it out. And see, when she pulled that one, that was the last straw for me. I said, I can't deal with that. I cannot depend on a piece of plastic in my mouth. You can't eat with these. I'm sorry. Somebody said you can eat with these. No, you cannot eat with these. These are not teeth. They cosmetic-wise, yeah. And I'm out in public. I DJ, so you cannot be trying to pronounce somebody's name and these come out. Yeah. And I had them pop out at a wedding just last week. They popped on me when I was trying to pronounce names. And that was the last straw. And I'm not gonna lie, I went to the other place and I felt like I was a number. It didn't feel right. I didn't go back. I didn't go back, even though I qualified. But I said, that didn't feel right. So I've been another year suffering with one of these. And like I said, that was the last straw when they took this bottom one out. I said, I have to do something. I can't live like this. I came up here and I met everybody and they told me, and the doctor pulled me back. He said, yeah, he said, you got plenty of bone. Wow. And and I said, well, I started to do financing through my bank. They were dragging their feet. I said, man, if they drag their feet, I'm gonna be scared and I'm not gonna do this. So I went and got financing elsewhere. It's a payment, but it's a payment. A new truck is $40,000. This is way less than a new vehicle. You can't buy a car with you walking around with confidence and smiling. Right, you can't buy that. I mean, I've had new cars. That novelty wears off in 6 months. Oh, I got a new car. I've had new trucks. It wears off. Now I'm gonna have new teeth. And I don't think that's gonna wear off.